We have all been there. That sudden, twisting abdominal pain, severe stomach cramps, or the intense discomfort that comes with irritable bowel syndrome. It can completely ruin your day, leaving you curled up in bed, waiting for relief. But what if you could stop those painful muscle spasms directly at the source? Today, we're analyzing a highly effective, globally trusted medication that doctors frequently prescribe for exactly this problem: Scopinal. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're doing a complete breakdown review of Scopinal tablets, manufactured by Julphar. But don't go anywhere just yet, because in the next 2 minutes, I am going to explain the specific science behind how this medication targets your digestive tract within minutes, a critical mistake people make regarding when to take it, and the essential safety warnings you absolutely must know before your next dose. All right, let's look at the science simply. What exactly is Scopinal, and how does it bring fast relief? As you can see on the packaging, Scopinal contains the active ingredient Hyoscine-N-butylbromide, which belongs to a class of medicines called antispasmodics. Unlike general painkillers that just mask the pain signal sent to your brain, Scopinal works directly where the trouble is. It relaxes the cramping muscles in the walls of your stomach, intestines, and even your urinary tract. By preventing these sudden, involuntary muscle contractions, it stops the gripping pain and cramping right in its tracks, restoring normal comfort to your digestive system. Now, how should Scopinal be taken for maximum effectiveness? Usually, for adults and children over the age of 12, the standard recommendation is 1 to 2 tablets taken up to 3 to 4 times a day, depending on your doctor's specific guidance. Here's the pro tip that many people overlook. Always swallow these tablets whole with a glass of water. Try not to crush or chew them. While it can be taken with or without food, taking it at the very first sign of a spasm or cramp helps the medication act as quickly as possible. But before you use it, there are a few vital safety warnings you need to hear. While Scopinal is excellent for functional gut cramps and IBS, it should not be used if you have specific conditions like glaucoma, a history of bowel obstruction, or an enlarged prostate. Furthermore, if your stomach pain is severe, unexplained, or accompanied by a fever, nausea, or changes in your bowel movements, do not take an antispasmodic. Instead, consult a doctor immediately, as it could be a sign of something requiring urgent medical attention. Scopinal is a highly efficient solution for targeting painful stomach spasms cleanly and effectively, helping you get back to your routine without the agonizing pain. If this medical breakdown helped you understand your medication better, please make sure to click that like button, subscribe to the channel for more clear, direct healthcare insights, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Stay healthy, take care of your body, and I'll see you in the next video.